Role 29, Midshipman Alferez. Sorry de sir kay ako naka-uniform ron pero nagputi ra ko. Nakauli mong bahay good kay naray kuan ba kanang gamayng problema. Pilot vessel, role 29. A vessel engaged on pilotage duty shall exhibit 1. At or near the masthead, 2 all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being white and the lower red. 2. When underway, in addition, side lights and a stern light. 3. When at anchor, in addition to the lights prescribed in sub-paragraph, the lights or shape prescribed in Rule 30. For vessels at anchor. B. A pilot vessel when not engaged on pilotage duty shall exhibit the lights or shape prescribed for a similar vessels of her length.